Hey everyone, look at this super silly and super cute alligator I just painted. Isn't he smiling like he's about to tell us a secret? I think he's saying, hello, friends. Let's have some fun. His big eyes are full of curiosity, like he's wondering, where's the snacks? Maybe some pizza or maybe marshmallows. Ha, don't worry, this alligator loves healthy food like fish and yummy water plants, most of the time. See his little teeth. Even though he has sharp teeth in real life, in our picture he's all smiles. He's not here to scare anyone, he's here to make friends and splash around in the water. His bumpy green skin keeps him safe, just like armor. It helps him swim fast and play hide and seek with frogs. Can you imagine him racing turtles and giggling as he wins? Guess what? Alligators have been around for more than 37 million years. That's even before dinosaurs. Maybe this little guy has some ancient jokes stored up. Shush, let's not tell him we know. And look at his tail. I made it wiggly and playful because he's always ready to swim, splash, and explore new places. I think he's planning an adventure right now. Alligators are great swimmers too. Their strong tails help them glide through the water faster than you can say, splash. I think our little guy loves pretending he's on a big water adventure, exploring new ponds, meeting new animals, and making new friends. Can you imagine him planning a surprise party for all his animal friends? Maybe he's baking swamp snacks or setting up games like Find the Hidden Bug. Ha, he definitely knows how to make a party exciting. I'm almost done adding the final details. Look how fun and cheerful he's looking. With that smile and those big eyes, I bet he's ready to go on adventures with you right now. And there we have it. Our alligator is ready for swimming, laughing, and making new friends. I hope you had fun drawing and learning with me today. Don't forget to share your own alligator artwork. I'd love to see how creative you get. Next time, we'll meet another amazing animal for B is for bear. Until then, keep having fun with your imagination, keep drawing, and always smile like our friendly alligator.